मैंने कौन सी आउटफिट कहाँ से ली, कितने की पड़ी, व्हाट वर द स्ट्रगल्स, व्हाट डिड आई एक्चुअली थिंक, व्हाट वाज द मूड बोर्ड लाइक, एग्जैक्टली कुछ जम नहीं रहा था. वाज लाइक वर्थ 30 lakhs. मेरी शादी का बजट ही थोड़ा आसपास था. सबसे पहले हमें ये कलरफुल प्रिंट वाला मटेरियल दिखा जो हमें काफी अच्छा लगा. I wanted to be the colorful bride and I was like this is beautiful. The work was very simple. But the moment I saw it in person, it was so heavy. But I did not buy the outfit. It was on barter. Like it was so beautiful. I have cried, I have sobbed so much. हम एक दिन गए वहाँ पे हमने सब सेट कर लिया, हमें ये चाहिए, हमें ये चाहिए, हमें ये चाहिए. I would cry this much on my चूड़ा ceremony that I did not get a single picture. वो इधर तक उसकी कढ़ाई थी. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This was one of the most requested videos after my wedding that you guys wanted to know every outfits breakdown कि मैंने कौन सी outfit कहाँ से ली, कितने की पड़ी, what were the struggles, what did I actually think, what was the mood board like. So if you are interested to know everything about all of my wedding outfits, the budget, the pricing, what did I actually end up wearing, then definitely keep on watching. But if this is the first time that you are seeing me, then hi, I'm Prableen, also known as PKB. I create content on makeup, fashion, lifestyle. I'm all filter free. Take a moment, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and without any further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Okay, let's start from the first function which was the in-room मेहंदी. अब ये function का honestly कोई mood board हमने लोगों को नहीं दिया था. I just wanted to make sure that me and Rahul were synced throughout in all wedding functions, of course. So I had the option of going for a Rani pink or a Bengan purple color because I really wanted to make sure that I am wearing all sorts of colors for all my wedding functions. I wanted to be the colorful bride. I was really done with seeing too many pastels. As I said in my earlier videos also that I did not want to go according to the trends. I literally only just wanted to wear जो मेरा मन चाह रहा था. And I am a colorful person. Right now I'm wearing black, but that's not the point. Like if you're wearing Indian, how can you not do colors? So I went with like yellow, blue, purple. मेरे सब pre-wedding functions और मेरे post-wedding functions हर function में मैंने अलग color पहना है. So for the मेहंदी function, the mood board that I kept for myself was very colorful, very Pakistani because उनकी जो कढ़ाइयाँ होती है, उनका जो work होता है, that's very intricate and I love the way it looks. So I'm going to show you all the mood boards that I'd made for myself कि मुझे या ऐसे चाहिए या ऐसे चाहिए. So this is not the exact thing, but this was the color I wanted to wear. So I was quite clear because either I was going to do this color, either I was going to do Rani pink. But since Rani pink मैंने मेरी engagement पे पहन लिया था, so my mom and my friends were like ये color repeat मत कर, so go for this Bengan purple because this also will look very nice. So I was clear मुझे ये color पहनना था, but उसका pattern I didn't want to do the same lehenga situation. I either wanted to change the top, either I wanted to change the bottom. Like अगर मैं top कुर्ते जैसे रख रही थी तो नीचे मुझे प्लाजो पैंट्स में भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, but exactly कुछ जम नहीं रहा था. And since it was like an in-room मेहंदी, I also wanted to be very comfortable, very chill. मुझे चुन्नी उन्नी लेके नहीं बैठना था because it was just going to be like 15 of our friends and family was also not invited for this function because we just wanted to chill. Everyone wanted to drink and have like their fun time. And मैं तो बैठी थी 6 घंटे एक ही जगह पे. So basically this is what I really liked and I was like मुझे ये ऐसा ही ethereal colorful palette चाहिए और मुझे मेरे कुर्ते पे ऐसा कट चाहिए था so that it was like a different cut in the front and different in the back. So one of my friends, Isha, has her own brand called Hue and Threads and that brand customized, like they only do customization of like whatever outfit. They make wedding outfits, they make like your regular outfits, whatever outfits you want. उनके कारीगर इतने अच्छे हैं because all my wedding outfits were like last महीने के अंदर ही सब मेरे outfits हुए. कुछ भी मैंने ऐसे कुछ प्री प्लान करके कुछ नहीं हुआ था. ये वाला outfit तो I think मुझे मेरे wedding के functions के 2 दिन पहले मिला था if I'm not wrong. 2 या 3 days पहले मुझे मिला था. Like everything was very end moment. तो ये outfit के लिए भी we ended up going to मंगलदास market. वहाँ पे हमने बहुत सारे materials देखे, बहुत सारे materials try किए. सबसे पहले हमें ये colorful print वाला material दिखा जो हमें काफी अच्छा लगा. We were like this is exactly what it looks like. It's green, it's purple, like full multicolor and the colors also looked really nice. So I had my vision कि मुझे उसकी कलियां ऐसे काट के उसको लगाएंगे और हमने बहुत पल्लू ले लिया था. Like good enough, like काफी meters of fabric we took. Little did we know कि वो fabric भी कम पड़ने वाला है, so we had to go back and get the fabric again. But first हमें नीचे का लहंगे का मटेरियल मिल गया. Once we got that, then we had clarity कि हमें टॉप कौन से कलर का है. So either I could go with the green because green भी काफी था और purple भी काफी था. But I didn't want to do like a green. I don't know why. I felt like I wanted to do purple instead. So I डिसाइडेड टू गो फॉर दैट लाइक रियली नाइस बैंगन पर्पल, और उसके ऊपर अच्छी अच्छी बूटियां थी, तो मैंने उसका टॉप बनवाया. वी गॉट दिस आउटफिट मेड इन वेरी लेस टाइम, एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू the way it hugged my body, I felt like it was made for me. It was attention to detail with the bootiyan, with everything. However she stitched it, I think it was perfect. Like there was not much like discussion because I exactly knew what I wanted. I exactly knew. The problem was that वो कलियों को कट करके when we were putting on the lehenga, तब fabric कम पड़ रहा था because वो कलियां straight थी and we had to put it like this. So वहां पे काफी time लगा. I think I almost paid around 20k for this outfit if I'm not wrong. 5k I think 5 या 6k मुझे separate गया मेरे material में, but 20k में I think मुझे मेरा पूरा like outfit बन के मिल गया. I'm not sure, it was 15 to 20k, and it was a beautiful outfit. Like I loved the outfit, and after the outfit was done, I knew that I wanted to wear like these very dangling big long earrings. So the only brand that came to my mind was Amama, because Amama का जो mood board है वो ऐसे ही है, very whimsical, very like Punjabi core but also whimsical, and like long earrings, and that's exactly how I like it. I love extra earrings. So मैंने वहां से बहुत सारे options लिए. मैंने उसका मैंने मांग टीका पहना, earrings पहने. मैंने start में bangles ही पहने थे, but of course मैं मेहंदी लगाने बैठी तो I could not wear it. But the way this outfit looked, the pictures, me and Rahul looked so good together. उसका भी जो कुर्ता था वो हमने वहीं से बनवाया. Like the way it looked was just stunning. It was exactly how I liked it. And पहनने के बाद like उसके pictures, it was too good. Then comes the second function. The second function was the mehendi, the main mehendi function. And I knew because that was the only function that was going to be like a Punjabi themed function. The theme was Parandis and Patialas, and just like Pathanis, Parandis, Patialas, colorful vibe tha. And we told everyone, do not wear pastels, just wear any color, every color that you want. And I again wanted to do a different color. I thought this function I should do a blue. Like बहुत discussions हुए थे about which color should I wear. I never thought that I was going to wear blue because I'm not really that big of a fan of blue color in general. But the moment I spoke to Navneet and Arpan and I saw उनका ये outfit, like they showed us, मैं उनके in store भी नहीं गई हूँ. I've literally just seen it in that video call जो काफी blurred था, but वो जैसे दिख रहा था, it looked so pretty. It looks so pretty. उसका वर्क इतना अच्छा था, एंड मुझे पता था कि मुझे एकदम हेवी पंजाबी ब्राइड लगना है, लाइक बिकॉज वेडिंग फंक्शन जो होने वाला था वो तेलुगु स्टाइल में होने वाला था. सो आई डिडंट वांट टू wear, like I didn't want to not make the most out of this one Punjabi function that I had, and that's why Rahul was also wearing like a pagadi, and it was just beautiful. Like he looked so good. But the moment I wore this outfit, I have loved it. I mean, Rahul, Nishtha, Dolly, like everyone saw the first time I wore it. Uska kurta was supposed to be like a loose kurta because वो थोड़ा पाकिस्तानी उसका फिनिश होना था, एंड वीडियो में इतना नहीं समझ रहा था हाउ इज इट गोइंग टू लुक, बट द मोमेंट आई सॉ इट इन पर्सन, इट वाज सो हेवी. इट वाज सो हेवी. इट वाज सो डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू डांस इन दिस आउटफिट बिकॉज ये आउटफिट वाज द हेवीएस्ट ऑफ ऑल द फंक्शंस का आउटफिट्स कंबाइंड, बिकॉज इसका जो जरदोजी वर्क थी, सब हैंडवर्क था, और उसकी एम्ब्रॉयडरी इतनी हैवी थी और इतनी इंट्रिकेट थी, उसकी चुन्नी इतनी हैवी थी. लाइक आई नो दैट इट साउंड लाइक राइट नाउ दैट आई एम थिंकिंग अबाउट इट, it's looking like that, but actually it was just beautiful, and I could not have thought of any other outfit. Jewelry के अंदर there are so many brands that wanted to collaborate with me, but the problem was that मेरे outfits मेरे हाथ ही like 3-4 दिन 5 दिन पहले आ रहे थे, so there was no chance क्योंकि सबके gold detailing on every material is different. तो जो कलर मैंने वीडियो में देखा था वो ज्यादा कॉपर गोल्ड था, इन पर्सन जब मैंने देखा तो बहुत रोज गोल्डिश गोल्ड था, और ये मैं ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर करके रिस्क नहीं ले सकती थी, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई जस्ट टुक द आउटफिट की चुन्नी. मैंने बोला आप अपना आउटफिट अपने पास रखो, मुझे चुन्नी दे दो. मैं चुन्नी लेके गई मार्केट, और मैं नटराज मार्केट गई थी, और मैंने ये शॉप में से उसके इयररिंग्स, लंबे इयररिंग्स विद अ ब्यूटीफुल मांगटी का जो वो प्रॉपर उसके साथ जा रहा था, उसकी चूड़ियां भी मैंने एग्जैक्टली मैच करवा के ली. मतलब हमने कस्टमाइज करवाई अकॉर्डिंग टू द आउटफिट, एंड मैंने गले में कुछ भी नहीं पहना था बिकॉज आई फेल्ट लाइक इट वाज ऑलरेडी टू मच. मैंने बालों में परांदी पहनी थी बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स आई वांटेड टू लुक लाइक अ पंजाबी ब्राइड. पहले आई थॉट दैट आई विल टेक इट ऑन माय हेड, बट देन आई थॉट दैट इट वुड बी अ लिटिल टू मच, सो देन आई डिडंट didn't do that, but otherwise it just looked so good. The blue, like the shade, the ombre, it was just stunning. It was so pretty. I loved it. That outfit I think was really expensive. Jewelry उसकी I think हमें total कुछ 2-3 हजार की पड़ी थी, like jewelry with the mantika with the bangle, but the outfit in itself I think was for 1.5 lakh, but I did not buy the outfit. It was on barter, so they literally sent it to me. I wore it and I sent it back because I was never going to wear such heavy outfits and keep it. Like there's no space in my house to keep any outfits. So जो outfits barter पे हो रहे थे, जो outfits sourcing पे हो रहे थे, I was still okay with it, but I really wanted to keep that outfit because the moment I saw it I was like, this is just beautiful. Yeah, that's fine, probably we'll just collaborate with them again in the future, but it was such a beautiful like outfit and just such a beautiful detailing, beautiful work, and I was just so happy with the way it turned out. When I'm talking about footwear, मैंने दोनों फंक्शन में सेम चप्पल पहनी है. All of my wedding functions I've only worn one चप्पल. मैंने चप्पल में खर्चा ही नहीं किया. I don't know why. I literally just I wore one चप्पल for 3 functions and one चप्पल for 2 functions. तो मैंने फिजी गॉबलेट की ये जो मोजड़ी जैसी चप्पल थी वो मैंने पहनी थी for my मेहंदी and for my हल्दी, and बाकी सब functions में मैंने एक ही वो एरिडानी की गोल्ड ब्लॉक हील्स पहनी है because they just looked so good on me and they were so comfortable for me. So I think that was the best decision I made ever. ना वो आउटफिट के नीचे दिखता है, ना मैं कहीं उसको उतार के कुछ करने वाली हूँ. It's just not even visible. I just wanted to like prioritize comfort, so I was just wearing those. Now let's move on to the third look, which was the Sangeet look. Now I thought that I wanted to wear a gold, silver. I didn't think ऐसा कुछ मैं वहाँ पे जाके. I was even open to a beautiful emerald green also. Like I was completely okay with it. Then once I started trying outfits, I understood that different golds were complimenting me and some golds were not complimenting me. So if it was like really like rose goldish, it was looking pretty, but I felt like my skin was not looking extra. Like I was not looking like the bride. ऐसे wash out कर रहा था मुझे थोड़ा. And I did not want that. Like I wanted it to be a little extra. So I went to Azza stores and वहाँ पे जाके मैंने बहुत सारे उनके outfits try किए. And वहाँ पे मुझे एक brand मिला अंगद सिंह. अब अंगद सिंह की मैंने जो actually outfits try किए those were bridal because I really liked the colors and the work that they were doing and they were comparatively cheaper. मतलब कुछ 80-90,000 types उसके outfits भी थे. So I was like चल ठीक है ये मेरे budget के अंदर है क्योंकि originally my wedding का outfit का budget that I kept max was 1 lakh कि मैं इससे ज़्यादा खर्चा नहीं करने वाली हूँ. So then when I went to अंगद सिंह I was like हाँ चल ठीक है I'll wear, I'll try. Like अज़ा में जब मैं गई थी वहाँ पे मुझे एक मैंने अंगद सिंह का लहंगा देखा which was like this silver gold लहंगा and मैंने बहुत सारे जगह पे सिर्फ गोल्ड, सिर्फ सिल्वर, सिर्फ अलग अलग कलर्स के ट्राई किए थे. I even tried a blue लहंगा which was oh my god so pretty. It was from this Charmi something का था. It was again the same blue ombre that I wore for मेहंदी, but तब तक मेरा मेहंदी outfit finalize नहीं था. I went सबसे पहले to see the cocktail and the wedding outfit. सबसे पहले मैं वो देखने गई थी. I kid you not, like it was so beautiful. It was too pretty and I was like I'm just going to let everything go. I'm just going to buy this blue one because this is just too good, but I didn't end up buying it because it was like a corset situation and I felt कि मैं bore हो जाऊंगी या मैं comfortable नहीं रहूंगी. I don't want to risk it on that day. I want to be extremely comfortable. And then I tried this silver gold lehenga. The moment I wore it I was like silver भी है इसमें gold भी है, मुझे कोई और color try करने की जरूरत नहीं है. I wore it and I was like this is my outfit. Then somehow I got in touch with Angad Singh and they were again ready to collaborate with me for that outfit. So I was like wow, but that again was not a barter collaboration because that was a huge outfit and it was so beautiful and it was too dreamy and I just loved that outfit. Okay, because it was again something that I had not seen. Silver gold का combo मैंने किसी पे देखा नहीं था और मुझे uncomfortable नहीं रहना था, तो मैंने उनको पहले बोला था कि आप नीचे जो भी डालोगे उसको ऐसे डालना that it's spaced out but it's not choking me. Like I'm able to dance, I'm able to move freely, I'm able to do my ठुमकास. Like I was very clear. And मैंने अपने sleeves भी मैंने half sleeves रखे थे क्योंकि मुझे हमेशा से चाहिए था कि मैं अपना cape जैसा चुन्नी रखूं, that even if I dance I'm comfortable, like even if it's behind it's fine, but I wanted to keep it like this because मैं जहाँ पे भी मैंने कोई इंडियन शूट कराया है those kind of looks suit me a lot. So मैंने उनको ऐसे बोला था. So जैसे उन्होंने भेजा outfit, I opened, that was the first outfit that I think got delivered मेरे wedding का, and I'll try to insert a clip. I have cried. I've sobbed so much. I was like, oh my god, I have my first outfit and it looks so pretty. मुझे अभी भी रोना आ रहा है सोच के. But it was just so pretty. And I called everyone. I called my mom. I called Rahul. I called everybody. And I showed them that just look at this outfit. It's so pretty. And I felt like a bride. So yeah, that happened. And after that outfit was done is when I then spoke to Anuj, who owns Dhanaksh Jewels. My cocktail, my wedding and my Satyanarayan Puja was from Dhanaksh Jewels, and they had such a fantastic collection of jewelry. It was beautiful. हम एक दिन गए वहाँ पे हमने सब सेट कर लिया, हमें ये चाहिए, हमें ये चाहिए, हमें ये चाहिए. And I wore that again. That was also on sourcing basis. I wore it and I returned it back because it was really expensive. I think it was like worth 30 lakhs. And मेरी शादी का बजट ही थोड़ा आसपास था. And I was like, I cannot spend this much money. The sun is going to set, so I've changed the lighting. So basically that is where I got my jewelry from, and it just looked परफेक्ट. लाइक जैसे मैंने वो एमरल्ड सेट पहना विद द ब्लाउज, मैं अपना ब्लाउज सब जगह लेके जा रही थी. मतलब नहीं तो मैं चुन्नी लेके जा रही थी, नहीं तो मैं ब्लाउज लेके जा रही थी. सो दैट आई कुड अंडरस्टैंड. लाइक दैट इज वन टिप दैट आई वुड गिव, दैट ऑलवेज कैरी योर आउटफिट्स. डोंट थिंक दैट यू वुड नो कि आपने देख लिया है तो इट्स फाइन. ऑलवेज कैरी योर आउटफिट्स व्हेनेवर यू आर प्लानिंग टू फिगर योर ज्वेलरी, योर मेकअप. इवन इफ यू आर ट्राइंग योर मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, मेक श्योर दैट यू आर वेयरिंग द ब्लाउज दैट यू आर गोइंग टू वेयर, सो दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर रहा है, नहीं कर रहा है. व्हाट डू यू वांट टू चेंज, आपको कुछ और ट्राई करना है, अगर आपको कुछ डिफरेंट आई लुक करना है. Keep those things in mind. So yeah, that was the outfit that I finalized for Angad Singh, and the brand came through, and then I was sorted because again I did not have to keep the outfit. It was a very, very heavy outfit, but I was glad because I got to wear it, and I also returned it, and I was just like really happy. But I think that outfit was also around like 1,10,000, but these two outfits were on sourcing basis, so I did not get to keep these outfits. And neither did I pay for it. मैंने जो videos में फोटो डाली या उनका टैग किया या उनके साथ रील किया, that was my deliverable from my side for wearing the outfit. That's it. Then moving on to the next function, that was the haldi function, in which I had basically two outfits. सबसे पहले the first outfit that I had to wear was haldi के event का outfit, जिसमें I always wanted the decor to be fully yellow, everyone to be in yellow, and I wanted myself to wear a rani pink. So either I wanted to wear a rani pink or that purple bengan color. तो मैंने जैसे पर्पल तभी पहन लिया, तो अब मैं रानी पिंक अभी पहनने वाली. So I went to Amani and I wanted to buy the outfit, but then since I've also worked with the brand earlier, and she was like, you please keep it, it's completely fine. So we worked on barter. Like she did not like take any money from me. So happy with the response. तो मैं जब वो उनकी स्टोर पे गई थी, मुझे ये रानी पिंक कलर का सूट सलवार ही है, ये नॉर्मल सूट सलवार था विद अ नॉर्मल लाइक ओम्ब्रे ऑरेंज पिंक चुन्नी वाला, और हमने कुछ भी एक्स्ट्रा नहीं किया. इट वाज सो कंफर्टेबल बिकॉज मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे बोला था दैट आई हैड टू सिट देयर नीचे ऑन द पाटला, एंड दैट वाज द ओनली फंक्शन जिसमें राहुल नहीं होने वाला था. सो आई डिड नॉट वांट टू लाइक वेयर समथिंग जिसके अंदर मैं अनकंफर्टेबल हूँ, या मैं अपने गले को ज्यादा देख रही हूँ, या मैं कॉन्स्टेंटली वेयर आई एम जस्ट लाइक सीइंग थिंग्स और थिंकिंग अबाउट थिंग्स. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई वोर लाइक अ नॉर्मल सूट सलवार. आई वाज मोस्ट कंफर्टेबल इन, आई लुक्ड so pretty. The makeup that was supposed to be done, like I did my own makeup, और वो एकदम ही like glowy simple, इतना कुछ भी नहीं किया था मैंने वो मेकअप में. just like थोड़े glossy lips, and I told her to put extensions because मेरे को थोड़ा hair में volume चाहिए था, but very loose curls she did. और उसमें मैंने I think इश्कारा पहना था. I think that was the brand जिनका मैंने earrings पहने थे, because they sent me a lot of earrings and a lot of jewelry, and it just looked perfect. और उसकी नीचे footwear के अंदर I'd worn fizzy goblets के मोजड़ियाँ, because that was the थोड़ा सा ही टाइम के लिए I had to wear. After that was done, I had to go back to my room for the chuda ceremony. तो जैसे मैं रूम में वापस गई, then I had to change, and I had to wear this beautiful outfit that I'd seen on Sanj by Leah, because वो outfit मैंने जैसे ही देखा था, I fell in love with it, because उसकी चुन्नी पूरी mirror की थी, like सिर्फ mirrors जुड़े हुए थे एक दूसरे से. तो जैसे मैंने उनकी वेबसाइट पे देखा, and I work a lot with Leah clothing as a brand. They've also come on Shark Tank. I was like, I really want to wear this outfit, but I didn't know that I would cry this much on my chuda ceremony, that I did not get a single picture. And उन्होंने मेरे ऊपर है ना वो फुलकारी वाली चुन्नी पहन ली थी, because हमारे ट्रेडिशन में ऐसे होता है कि वो सर पे रख के लेके आते हैं. तो उनका आउटफिट इतना क्लियरली नहीं विजिबल था, बट स्टिल लाइक द आउटफिट लुक्ड सो प्रिटी. आई हैव क्राइड सो मच इन दैट. उसमें मैंने ज्वेलरी भी आई डोंट थिंक मैंने कुछ पहनी, आई थिंक मैं ऐसे ही बैठ गई थी और मैंने हाथ में भी कुछ नहीं पहना तब क्योंकि चूड़ा पहनाना था, बट दैट वाज आल्सो सच अ ब्यूटीफुल फंक्शन, आई लव्ड इट। एंड देन कम्स द वेडिंग फंक्शन के लिए आई वाज वेरी क्लियर दैट आई वांटेड टू बी अ रेड ब्राइड। आई डिडंट वांट टू बी लाइक दैट टोमेटो रेड, आई वांटेड इट टू बी लाइक अ थोड़ा डीपर रेड bride. But when I was trying the colors is when I understood that there was a fresh red that was a little cherry red that was complementing my skin tone and making me look a little more glowy than the normal red. But because बहुत सारे shades of red है, किसी का undertone is orange, किसी का undertone is pink, किसी का undertone is like a deeper maroonish. Maroon also looked good, but maroon was not complimenting me as much as this red was. So I would say that whenever you're going to try your wedding outfit, just keep a very open mind. Don't think about what anybody is going to say. Wear maybe 100 outfits. Choose only the one that you like. And I went to a lot of stores. मुझे कहीं भी अच्छे नहीं लगे. And then I ended up going to this store called the Bombay Wear, which my mom and her friend Daisy Masi basically told her कि तू यहाँ जाके देख के आ. And my mom sent me a reel of theirs. And I was like चल ठीक है, घर के मेरे 10 मिनट दूर था, मैं जाके देख के आ गई. जैसे मैं गई, that was the first outfit I saw. And I was like भैया आप ये निकालो, और मैंने उसको निकलवा के वही outfit पहना. And that is what I finalized. And I was like this is beautiful. The work was very simple. It was way better than anything else that I'd seen in all the bigger brands. And guess the price. It was only 48,000 rupees. It was I think 52,000 rupees, and then they gave us like a 2%, 5% some discount, and it came down to 48,000 rupees. And the wedding outfit is supposed to be a gift from our mamas, like that is in our tradition. So my mamas had given me like 50,000. तो मेरा पूरा outfit उनकी तरफ से हो गया, and I was very happy because it looked stunning. I wanted to be a red bride, not too extra. मेरा jewelry भी काफी minimal था, ना मैंने नथ पहनी थी, ना मैंने बिंदी लगाई थी, जो काफी लोग काफी disappoint हुए थे. But I didn't want to do anything or wear anything that I was going to regret, or I was not going to feel like myself in. Like I'm not a person who wears bindi. I'm not a person who wears like really heavy necklace. So मुझे ऐसे मालाएं नहीं पहननी थी because I felt like if I see myself in those pictures 10 years later, I will not even like, I don't know, I felt like probably I will not like myself, or I will not feel like wow, like what did I wear, and I never wanted to have that regret. So I literally chose the outfit, I draped it the way I wanted to drape it, and I'm telling you it was the best decision. Because again another tip, if you're wearing a chuda, take your chuda along with your wedding chunni. तो मैंने अपनी wedding chunni लेके मैं गई थी, और फिर मैंने अपने चूड़ा का कलर मैच किया था, और मैंने फिर फाइनल किया था because I wanted it to be the exact same color. Of course I didn't wear it, but I kept it like along with it, क्योंकि हम चूड़ा directly उस दिन पहनना होता है. So छोटी छोटी चीजें ऐसे मैंने की थी. And the jewelry was again Dhanaksh jewels, which looked stunning. The hair was again the same person who did my hair in all the functions, and the makeup was done by me, and it looked just beautiful. And then we only had one function left, like actually two functions left. The next function was Satyanarayan Puja, जिसके लिए हमें early morning उठना था, and we had to go to Rahul's house. And for that function, since I did not get dressed as a Telugu bride, I wanted to like get ready as a Telugu bride and surprise them. Rahul also didn't know that I was going to wear a sari, but I wore this beautiful sari from Narayani Silk, and it looked so pretty because again orange, such a beautiful color. उसके साथ वो gold proper temple jewelry जो मैंने ली थी Dhanaksh Jewels से, it looked absolutely out of this world, and it looked beautiful. Like that outfit, that coral rich orange, I got so many compliments for that sari. And I kept my hair also like that bridal, like the newlywed जैसे मैंने चूड़ा पहना हुआ था. Oh, I was looking so good. And for that day I kept my makeup also very simple, like थोड़ा liner लगाया था मैंने, and I kept my lips very glowy because again that was the mood board. I wanted to look like a royal newlywed South Indian bride, so I went like that. And again like it turned out beautiful. And the last function that we had was my mom had kept this small get together with her friends, and I got this custom made all white outfit, like a beautiful anarkali जिसमें इतना गोटा पट्टी था. Like this was the mood board that I had given Isha, the UN Threads brand owner, and I told her I wanted to be exactly made like this, क्योंकि वो इधर तक उसकी कढ़ाई थी, like laces लगाए थे. हमने अपनी कढ़ाई नहीं की थी because हमें पैसे बचाने थे. But that outfit was also I think around 10-12,000 मुझे बन गया था मेरा outfit. But it looked so royal because I wanted the whole outfit to be white, and I wanted my chuda to just stand out, like you know, full white. That was the mood board, like full white with like chuda, my sindoor, and like just beautiful red lip. Like wow, I looked so good. I was so comfortable. It was so chill. We were done with all the wedding functions. We were relaxed. We were laughing, dancing, having the time of our lives. And yeah, that is it. That is basically all the breakdown of all my wedding looks and what I thought of, why I decided to do it. If you see, it was like a broad spectrum. I wore all colors. I literally wore like all sorts of colors. I wore Rani pink, blue, purple, gold, silver, red. I also wore orange. The only pastel color that I wore I did not wear it for my entire wedding functions. I only wore it for my engagement. And I was like, not doing this decision ever again, because engagement ka vibe was very like muted, very soft, like very cute, but we didn't want to do that for the main wedding. So I kept all fresh, beautiful colors, and it just looked good. I was only sad that I didn't do like a yellow, because I'm such a yellow girl. Like, I love wearing yellow. So I decided to wear that for my Satyanarayan Puja, and I wore a beautiful yellow sari. And I wore the part wale din pe bhi I wore yellow. So मैंने पूरा अपनी yellow compensate कर लिया. Now I'm almost done with like most of the colors that I like. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you think. If you have any sort of questions, if you want any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.